avocado, take one.
Okay. Ready? Shower. Hey, Danica.
Just a little bit.
Oh.
Yes, yes.
Oh, goodness.
Little bit.
Oh, hey, ready? You. She's like, give me that. I hold it. Mmm.
I can't see her face.
Look over here, baby.
Hi, baby. What do you have?
Crap.
What's in your mouth?
Yeah.
Mmm.
Mmm.
Oh, big smile.
What is it, baby? I can't see her. She keeps turning. Hi. Hi. What do you have? Mmm. Mmm. Num num nums. Yay. Num nums.
Baby.
Ooh.
Is it good, Danica?
What is it? Aww. What do you
I
think?
finally get to eat.
What do you think?
Little baby.
Focus, Chowder.
You.
Oh, there it is.
You're a very, actually, pretty good eater.
She's wonderful.
She
You're
is
very
good. She's not
clean.
spitting out very much of it.
Mm-mm. Ready for some more? Nummy nummy? She's like, hello, I've been waiting for months.
Yeah. Mmm.
Wow.
Chowder.
Good job, baby. What a good job.
What do you think?
Keep it coming.
Oh my gosh.
Aw.
She sticks her tongue out. Mmm. You're a good eater, baby. Oh, smiles.
Where is it? Is that in my mouth? Okay, I gotta get another picture.
Yeah, now you're making a mess on purpose. Hi, baby. Hi. Mmm. Hi, baby. Smile.
Hey.
Smile, baby. Smile.
Yeah, silly girl.
Ooh.
Oh, yummy, 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 yummy.
Mmm. What do you think?
Good.
Is that gonna give you green poopies?
Oh.
Don't stop, Mama, don't stop.
You got it on her nose. Oh, use your bib to wipe your face. Good job.
She's very advanced.
Oh, look at her.
Oh, my God. Danica, eat.
She'll throw that on the floor, won't she? Well, maybe not. She's gonna pour it in her mouth. Mmm.
Put that on your fingers.
Put some on the spoon and give her the spoon.
Okay. Hey, you want your spoon?
Okay, I can get it.
Oh no! Get it in your mouth. Oh! Good job, baby! Good job!
I'm independent.
Yeah!
I can do it myself.
You can! Winnie, go away.
Winston, come. Down.
Good job,
Down.
baby!
There you go.
Oh, good job! You're feeding yourself, aren't you? We'll just set you up with your own fork and spoon at every meal now, and you're all set.
Yeah.
We don't have to feed you.
Nope. January 1.
We'll go in the spoon, Mommy.
She's like, oh, I'll just stick with over here. Okay. Ready?
Oh, that sounds good.
Nummy, nummy, nummy. Num yummy, nummy avocado and booby juice. Oh, put some more on the spoon.
Okay, here.
She keeps sticking the spoon in her mouth.
Well, it was stuck on there before.
Yeah, where'd it go?
There you go.
Ew, it's squishy between your fingers. Look at that squishy in your fingers.
Oh, that's so good.
Oh, squishy in your fingers.
Oh.
Oh, there's a dog.
Like, I just eat the breast stick.
Yeah.
They're good too.
Just eat the bowl.
Winston, down.
There you go.
Down.
Don't get it up your nose, Chowder.
Yeah, that wouldn't be good. Danica's first rite of passage.
That's right.
Making a big old mess.
She's doing a very good job.
Uh-huh.
Mm-hmm. Ready? You.
Ooh.